Kia ora koutou, ko Brinkitlan toko ingoa, ko Research and Engagement here at Auckland Libraries. So today for the research workshop, I just want to take you through some of the things that we're going to do. We're going to show you how to use our online resources. We're going to take a quick tour of the Level 2 research, and we're going to leave 30 minutes for you to try out some of the resources, which Anna's going to talk to you in a second. And today we're going to use the example of the New Zealand fashion icon, Patrick Steele.
The most important resource over here are newspapers. And the newspapers, like Brent and myself mentioned, we have the latest copies of the Herald, the Dominion Times, the Press, and there's another newspaper called the Auckland Star, which is quite relevant in the 70s to the 90s. That's another important resource. So those are our microphones.
I thought you were just newspapers, so you can get all the magazines as well, obviously.
Not all the magazines, no.
No?
No. We've got the New Zealand Women's Weekly, but there is a list that shows you the magazines that we have, not in this space, but in our collections inside. And you can turn it back on to a reel by pressing the rewind button. And the microphones, you just have to keep it back in its original space. So those are the microphones. I'll take you to the areas of the directories and the electoral rolls now, so you know where to come to look at these in the library. If you follow me, we have a really big family history section. And what's very important for family history is to be able to trace your ancestors and trace your people that you love in your whānau. So directories form a very important aspect of that, where we have telephone books, which I didn't know were a thing till I started working in the research center. Didn't know what telephone books were. Apparently books to look up numbers from the 1980s and 1990s. And we have telephone books that go up all the way to 2020. And just in this next one over here, we have the colorful electoral rolls, which can be used to find out the person's address and also their occupation. Electoral rolls are also helpful to find out who else lived in the family. Like, was there another Steele? Was there a Mama Steele and a Papa Steele? Were there siblings? That's something that you can find in the electoral rolls. But also, it's important to know that these are in the library, but also you can access them on Ancestry online. And the last collection that I want to show you are some of the magazines that we have. And if you follow me through here, bound copies of the New Zealand Women's Weekly, you can come and have a look. But also, we know that the designer that we were looking at today, Patrick Steele, was a local Aucklander. So there are some Auckland magazines over here, like suburban magazines, that you can look into to find more information about him, like the Auckland City Harbour News, we have the Aucklander, we have the Central Leader, we have the East Coast, Eastern Bay, Korea, and other magazines that will help you in your research. And these, another resource, not something that you could find online. So you'll have to come into the libraries, look through the multiple hundred pages to find your resources. Here in front of you are a few physical resources that you can look at. This is the Auckland Business and Trade Directory, which is useful for finding addresses of business. This is from the 1986. This is from 1990s. And I put a little bookmark in here where you can come in later and you can have a look and find Patrick Steele and find the address of where he was based in Parnell. Another example was the Auckland directories of telephone numbers. I couldn't find Patrick Steele in this, but you can find other designers and other people that you're researching through here. This is the electoral roll from 1984, which 1981 previously I showed you that he was in Remuera. In 1984, I can open this to you and you can find the Steele name in here. But in 1990, he was not in Remuera anymore. He moved to Pakuranga, which I found through Ancestry online website, because I could have been searching 1990s Remuera and would have been like, oh, maybe he passed away, or maybe something happened to him. But because we have an online resource to look at electoral rolls, I can confirm that he was in 1990s in Pakuranga, and you can come and have a look to see what he did, where he lived, what his occupation was then, And look cute this over here. We do have the Auckland Star clippings. There's another cute photo of him, Patrick Steele with the designer. And apparently he did a show on the Auckland railway station where he booked like a train from like Auckland to Auaha to do his fashion show, which is pretty cool, which was not there in like, Kura or like our online resources.